passenger sentences. Where is the check-in desk? Where is the check-in desk? I'd like to check in, please. I'd like to check in, please. Here is my passport. Here is my passport. Can I have a window seat? Can I have a window seat? How many bags can I take? How many bags can I take? Where is gate 12? Where is gate 12? What time does boarding start? What time does boarding start? My flight is delayed. My flight is delayed. I think my luggage is missing. I think my luggage is missing. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Airport staff sentences. May I see your passport, please? May I see your passport, please? Please place your bag on the scale. Please place your bag on the scale. Your flight boards at gate 12. Your flight boards at gate 12. Boarding starts in 30 minutes. Boarding starts in 30 minutes. Please proceed to security control. Please proceed to security control. Your flight is on time. Your flight is on time. Your flight has been delayed. Your flight has been delayed. Enjoy your flight. Enjoy your flight. Have a pleasant trip. Have a pleasant trip.